I'm Bridget Bartlett with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with videos inside the Cheetah editor. The first thing we need to do is add a video element. So we can go to the Ads tab, and you'll see that we have the ability to add panels or elements. Let's scroll down to the Elements menu and find the video element. So we'll click here. So you'll see that we have 4 choices. You can choose a video that's hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or Vidello. Let's go ahead and add a YouTube video to our panel here. So let's left click and drag the YouTube video placeholder to our website. You'll see that it shows up with a default video placeholder already. If you left click in the video element, you'll see that you have the ability to save the video to your Personals tab here, and then you can retrieve it and use it on any Cheetah website. You could click here to edit the element with these options here. You could click here to center it on the page. You could click here to create a sticky video and then add it to any of the corners of your website. And as you scroll, it will remain in the same place. You also have the ability to duplicate the video by clicking here. You can hide the video here and then retrieve it in the Hidden Elements tab. And you can also delete the video by clicking here for the trash can. Let's go ahead and check out the settings for editing our video. If you click here, you can paste the YouTube link to your video. You can choose when you want your video to start and finish by inputting the seconds here. You can check or uncheck this box to allow the viewer to have display to the controls. You could click here to have it on autoplay, so when your website is viewed, it will automatically start playing the video, or uncheck the box if you don't want the autoplay. And you can also click here to loop the video. If you want to change the size of the video, you can change the width here. You can also change the size by dragging the corner here. If you want to change the maximum width on the tablet view, you could choose that here. You could also add a border to your video. So if I wanted to choose a dotted, dash, solid, or double line border on my video, I could choose this here. I could also change the size of the border here, or I could also slide the line here. I could change the color of my border here. If I had a specific hex code I wanted to use, I could paste that here, and then I could click this little plus sign to add it to my branded colors so that I can reuse it at a later time. I could also change the opacity of my border. I could also round off the edges of my border. So if I wanted to change this to 50, you'll see that now this corner has a rounded edge, or I could just take it back to 0. I could also create an animation for my video. So if I wanted to choose any of these effects here, I could select that option. We'll just choose Flash, and you'll see that it gives you a preview of what that animation looks like. You can choose to have it animate at a specific time when the user sees the video, when they click on the video, or when they hover over the video. You can choose the speed of the animation here. You could also choose if you want the animation to continue in a loop by clicking the infinite box here, and it will just continue with the animation. You could also add a tag to this video, and you also can adjust the layering of the video as well so that you can put items below or above the video on your website. You can also save the video here by giving it a name, clicking Save as Personal Element, and then you can retrieve it here on any Cheetah website. Let's go ahead and go to the mobile view. If you left click on your video, you'll see that you have all of the same options that you do on desktop, except you have the added ability to adjust the lateral spacing. So if you want more space on the left and right of your video, you can adjust that here. You could also add space at the top and at the bottom. In this video, I showed you how to work with videos inside the Cheetah editor. Again, my name is Bridget Bartlett. Now, let's go build it with Builderall.